Alright, we have finally made our Discord bot, and it's great, but we are missing something. Your bot runs on your PC. If you haven't set up a Raspberry Pi or don't want to give your bank info to Azure or Google and AWS, I forgot Amazon, I'm sorry Amazon. Also, their services are free only for a limited time. There is a service provider called Heroku. It's free and lets you host your bot 24/7. Today I will be showing you on how you could host your bot on Heroku. Let's get started. So first we need to go to heroku.com. And you need to sign up for a new account. I already have an account, so I'll just proceed. After signing up, you would meet the screen. You need to click on New and click Create New App. Type in your app's name. I'll say mine as modbot. If the name isn't available, try putting some numbers behind. Yes, 11 is available. And choose your location. I'll leave it in United States. I'll click on Create App. Okay, after creating your app, don't hurry. Go to Settings. And then scroll down and click on Add Build Back. Since our bot is on Python, we need to click on Python. This will add a build back for Python on Heroku. Okay, after this, we need to kind of clone our repository. If you didn't know, I have actually uploaded my bot to GitHub, and I hope you all know how to upload to GitHub. I'll just go into the repository. It's a private repository because it has my token. So in here I already have created all of these files, but for the sake of showing you, I'll clone this. So I'll do git clone. I'll type in the URL. This will clone into tutorial moderation bot. After cloning, you can see this folder there. This folder has appeared here, and this contains these files. I'll open this with code, and I'll show you what I did. So I created this thing called procfile. So what is procfile? A procfile is for Heroku to register a script or file as a worker or a web worker. I'm not going to get deep into this because that will be off topic. I'm going to declare ours as worker, and that will work fine. I'm going to do worker and then the command. You do python main.py. Python main.py means it's going to use the Python module to run this thing. Well, not the module, but the build back. Okay. Next is requirements.txt. This is a usual file. It contains all of the installs that you need. All of the names of the installs that you need in order to run your app properly. So our one has discord.py and discord pretty help. So we have been using discord pretty help to create nice embeds, and discord.py is the Discord library. Next we have runtime.txt. I know there is Python 3.9, but that did not work for Heroku. The most recent version that I found working for me was Python 3.6.13. You have to type Python and then a dash and 3.6.13. After this, you can go back to Heroku, click on deploy, and then click on connect to GitHub. So this will ask you to authorize GitHub. So after your authorization, you will come onto this screen. It will show a username there, and you can search for a repository. So I'm going to search for tutorial moderation bot. and I'll click on search. See, my repository has appeared here. I can click on connect. Also important, your bot will not run unless you have proc file and requirements and the runtime. These three are very important files. Next, I can deploy the branch and click on enable automatic deploys. This means that every time you push a commit to your GitHub repository, this automatically deploys this in Heroku, meaning you don't have to visit Heroku and click deploy every time. Okay, it'll download and install every libraries that you need on the first run. After that, it'll show if the build has succeeded or failed. You can also check traceback calls in the logs, that is, click on more and click on view logs. I don't want to see traceback calls right now. Okay, this doesn't mean your app will be online. You need to go to resources, and then, well, you need to wait for this to find that we have Python main.py. I might have refreshed the page. Yes, after refreshing the page, I found this thing, worker python main.py. You can click on this pencil icon or the edit icon and turn on this toggle. It shows $0. Don't worry, this will not ask you banking info. After this, you can click on confirm. Then you can go to view logs, more, and then view logs. And our bot should print bot ready. Yes. After this, you can see that our bot is online on Discord. So I can do $help. Yes. And our bot responds. This will be working 24/7. And of course you will have downtime. And we have hosted our bot. It will be online 24/7, maybe with some downtime as I said. But it's usual. I mean, every bot has downtimes. Congrats on making and hosting your own bot on Heroku. If you felt like the bot that we made so far isn't really that good, I have linked a public repository of kind of full-fledged bot. Thanks for watching and have a good day.